Hi champs, welcome back to your favorite science learning spot. I am Khushi Sharma and we are going to explore the magical world around us. The air we breathe, the matter we touch and the chemicals that makes the fireworks sparkle. So are you ready to become a scientist? Let's dive in.
2 hours later. 2 hours later. 2 hours later.
Where science isn't just facts, it's an adventure. Today, we are diving into the fascinating topics such as air, matter, and chemical reaction. So, are you ready to blast off into the science zone? The contents for today would be introduction to air, understanding matter, chemical reaction, the role of air in chemical reaction, and interactions with the three topics. Last but not the least, conclusion. So, champs, let's take a deep breath. So, you just inhale something invisible? That is what is called air. But what exactly is air? It's not an empty space, it's a mixture of gases. Now, talking about the major players of gases are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and other gases. So, there is 78% of nitrogen, the quiet background gas, 21% of oxygen, the superstar we need to breathe, 1% argon carbon dioxide, like tiny extras in a movie theater. So, air isn't just about breathing, it's all around us, pushing against us with a force called air pressure. Ever wondered why a balloon pops? That's air pressure in action. Now, talking about the properties of air, density, and pressure. Air is a mixture of gases with varying density and pressure influenced by temperature and altitude. Now, let's shift gears. What is matter? Anything that has the mass and takes up space, that's matter. Solid, like ice cubes, rigid and fixed shape. Liquids, like water, flows, takes the shape of its container. Gases, like air, fills any space, no fixed shape. Matter is made up of tiny particles, atoms, and molecules. So small you can't see them without a super microscope. Properties of matters: physical versus chemical properties, extensive versus inextensive properties. Physical properties can be observed without changing the substances, such as cooler, melting point, and density. In contrast, chemical properties describe how a substance interacts with others. Talking about the extensive properties depends on the amount of matter present, such as mass and volume, while inextensive properties remain unchanged regardless of the quantity.
Rahul has a windmill. Taking the windmill in hand, he starts running. See, the windmill in his hand is moving so fast. How does it happen? See, this boy is flying a kite. The kite flies so high. How does it fly? The windmill moves due to movement of air, and so does the kite fly.
Our topic for today is states of matter. Matter is made of particles. It exists in three states, namely solid, liquid, and gas. The different states of matter are due to the different arrangement of particles of matter. In solid state,
Science is not just a subject, it's everywhere. In your kitchen, in your park, and in your body. So stay curious and keep experimenting. And I'll see you in the next video with more science exciting adventures. Until then, keep smart, keep curious.